Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys, here in dark Fort Myers, Florida. It's evening and the house is asleep and I wasn't quite ready for bed, so I thought I'd come out here and hang out with you guys. Wanted to tell you about something I'm real excited about. I have finally started a Patreon account. Lots of people have been asking me for it, and I hesitated because I wanted to make it something special, and I wanted to make it good for you and good for me and all kinds of things. And I'm digging it. I'm digging it because everything that I come out here and do when I'm experimenting or trying something with acrylic inks or with molding paste or special rollers or mixed media, I film it all and I talk through it for myself and I just share it with you. So the Patreon account has a lot of fun things, and it's pretty much all about you. You let me know what it is that I can help you with in your painting journey. You let me know if you need help with a color scheme. You let me know if you're having issues with your swipes or your consistencies. So I'm real excited about it. I'm excited about it because I enjoy teaching and I enjoy sharing things. And my YouTube videos, I speed them up a lot because this little painting that you only see 7 to 12 minutes of sometimes takes me an hour and a half. Sometimes I have to stop because my paint is setting up and it's starting to dry. And on my Patreon account, I just kind of go with the flow. I do little things on canvases and I put it aside to let it dry, and I come back and I film the next step, and I'm really enjoying it. So if you like, check it out. The link to my Patreon account will be in the description box. There are no tiers. It's one tier. Everybody is the same and equal, and I'm excited. So come join me if you would like to. Yeah. Come get up close and personal. Yeah, I'm excited. All right, what are we doing today? I'm excited about this because I'm working with some colors that I kind of dreamt about last night. I hope that's not strange. We are working today on a 10 by 20 gallery wrap canvas, bought on sale, don't you know, at Michael's. Buy one, get, was it 2 or 3 free? I don't know, but it was a good deal. Good colors. Right here in this yummy cup, we have DecoArt Satin Enamel, but that is their neutral beige. This works, as far as I'm concerned, just as well as their Satin Enamel. And when I'm working with earthy tones, I'd rather use a beige over a white. Sometimes the white can jump out at you like a sore thumb. So Satin Enamel, neutral beige by DecoArt. Right here, plain, simple, but yummy golden fluid acrylics in the carbon black. This is yummy. This is yummy, but you got to be careful with it because it tends to take on a bit of a green hue. That is golden fluids, and that is their iridescent bronze fine. And depending on what colors you marry it with, it does tend to have a little bit of a green hue to it, but boy, oh boy, is that a yummy paint. Let's take a look at our consistency. All these paints are mixed the same with the exception of our flow extender, which is a little bit thinner, but they leave a mound on a mound on a mound, as Sweet Mina would say. This right here, soon to say bye-bye to, although I have stocked up. That is golden fluids, the Q word, in the nickel azo gold. Now, I forgot to mention the bronze. I've been fiddling lately with acrylic inks, and I put a couple of drizzles of the Liquitex acrylic ink in the iridescent rich bronze. It changed the hue just a little bit, but it richened it up really nice. Now, my base coat color My base coat color is my slop bucket paint. And what that is a bunch of yummy leftovers that I scrape, or little bits and pieces left in cups that I dump in my slop bucket. I have a brown one, a black one, a gray one, a red one, a yellow, gold one, different slop bucket paints in the cabinet behind me. But this is my favorite slop bucket paint, and I finally figured out how to remake it. I only had about this much in the bottom, and I stared at it and stared at it, and I thought, how am I going to get that beautiful rich brown black? And I did it. I hope you can see it, but it is just a beautiful, beautiful rich brown, and it was simple. It was Artist Loft Soft Body Black and Golden Iridescent Gold Fine. And oh my goodness, I'm just loving on this chocolatey, shimmery goodness. Now, this paint is a little bit thinner than our pour paints. That is our flow extender. All of our paints were mixed with a squeeze of Golden Gak 800, my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium. And because I was using fluid paints, all but the DecoArt Satin Enamel, I needed to thicken them up. And I use Owatrol to do that. I buy this on Amazon. This is about $28. It is, how big? I think it's a gallon. Is it a gallon? It's 2.5 liters. Is that a gallon? I don't know. But anyways, this is the European version of our Floetrol. And it is rich and it's creamy and it is thick as molasses. It's about 5 times thicker than our Floetrol. So it works as a wonderful, wonderful thickening agent. You can use other things. You can use gel gloss medium. This is easier. You can mix all your paints up with your usual pouring medium and just add a tablespoon or so of this if you need to thicken it up. So Owatrol, Amazon, that's the only place I have found it. What are we doing? We're doing a couple of ring pours because I'm digging painting with these thicker paints, and I'm digging on this color scheme. And that's what we're doing, guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here. Let's put some music on. Let's get busy.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine, nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa, lemon balm. Nights as warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away. Baby, to a place where the Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa lemon balm. Nights as warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away, baby, to a place where the sun always shines, or to summer lovers. Just before you know it, the summer has gone. Halfway into life, you think you've seen it all, but I've never seen a smile like yours. How could any man alive not fall and let the forces of love take